Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out. Rumor has it that Thembinkosi Lorch is cheating on Natasha. Musa Kaula, the entertainment blogger, revealed the news on his Twitter account, and the Twitter street is going crazy over the allegations. He tweeted, "Thembinkosi Lorch is cheating on Natasha with Thembinkosi." People have reacted and they can't believe that the footballer really cheated on Natasha. Someone wrote, "Yo, that time she's a new mom." Bana, one also wrote, "I wonder what makes a man to cheat. I mean, why? That's the right question right there." Someone also wrote, "If I'm not good enough, why don't you end the relationship then?" One also said, "It's kinda hard to believe Musa these days." Well, if these allegations are true, I don't know what men really want. Natasha is so beautiful and she just had a baby. Men will embarrass you. What's your take on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below.